Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting documentation. This saves time and avoids rejections. Have your government ID, recent pay stubs or Form 1099, and 3 months of bank statements ready. Decide the specific loan amount and term, for example $15,000 over 48 months, and check Target APRA so you know acceptable offers. Once done, choose the lender portal or app, create your account, and start the application using the precise figures from your documents. Now you complete the core application fields and verify identity. Accuracy matters because lenders match data to your credit file. Fill name, address, SSN, and employment info exactly, and upload clear scans or photos of pay stubs and bank statements. Authorize the credit inquiry and e-sign required disclosures so the process moves quickly. If the lender offers automated income verification or bank linking, use it to shorten decision time. Make sure to read permissions before accepting them. You finish by reviewing the final loan offer thoroughly, double-check APRA, origination fees, monthly payment, and any prepayment penalties so there are no surprises. Sign the agreement electronically, confirm funding method and timing, and set up autopay to avoid missed payments. If funding stalls or your application is denied, request a reason, correct any data entry errors, and upload missing documents. Often a single updated pay stub or corrected SSN resolves the issue. Keep a transcript of communications for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.